Pucker up, it's Mikaela Titheridge here from the Crafty Oink Pen, and I'm about to share with you the kissing technique. So I'm making use of the Planted Paradise stamp set, and I've already put onto my block the rounded bowl, and I'm putting it with the image towards the block. So I've got a flat surface here, and I've chosen to use Misty Moonlight. So I'm going to open up that ink, and I'm going to first of all prepare my blocks. So I'm just going to ink up my solid image, and I'm just going to stamp that there for the moment, just so that I can then take my image or images that I would like to use within this flat surface to make it a little more interesting. I've picked out 3 smaller leaves, and I want to lay them down as if I'm going to just quite simply pick them up and stamp with them. So I'm laying these face down so the detail is on the underside. And then once I'm happy with that formation and it fits neatly within that image, or it's how you want it to be, I'm just going to pick that up. Now we're ready to start kissing. So let's ink up our solid image, and when you're happy it's nice and evenly inked, just pop it down on the block on its back and take your new set of images and link them up and kiss them together. Now to create kind of a suction, you want to avoid slipping and sliding, so lift straight up, and then you'll notice you've got the images within. The second block basically removes the ink. Now because this has got a flat edge to one side, I'm stamping that off of the side there so that you don't see that it's got a flat edge. It will look more just like a full circle or slight oval. So I'm going to re-ink again. Now there's still ink on here and it seems a waste to not use it, so I'm just going to stamp that to the bottom edge of what will become the inside of my card. Now this one's inked up already, and again I'm going to kiss the two together and straight up. Now this time I'm going to turn this round and pop the straight edge on the right, because I'm going to put a focal point here which will disguise that. And there we have it. That could be a single image, or that could be a series of images as I have. And then again, rather than waste this, we'll make use of that along the bottom. And then we will just repeat. So I'm going to ink up again when I've got it fully inked. I'm just going to add a little bit more. I think I've done this that many times, it probably needs re-inking now. So let's just twist that round so it doesn't become too uniform. Kiss it together, hold it there for a second and lift it apart. You can see the suction there because I was able to lift that whole block up. So I'm going to put my 2 straight edges kind of together, opposite each other. So's that, and then I will do another one here. But when I have that done, let's just make use of that. When I do my 4th one, I can then disguise this area here, and there we have it. That's how I created this card here using the Planted Paradise and the kissing technique. Great fun technique. You can use so many different images within a solid surface. I hope you have fun with that.